Mama's a snowbird. She's flying back to Florida as we speak. She's on the plane, so I gotta get her space ready because she's gonna kill me if she sees it like this. Well, this explains the fluff. That dang dog. Her cute little closet doesn't look too bad, except I have a bunch of home goods bags in here. Gotta hide them from the husband, you know. Now I have to find a new hiding spot. This is our sad guest room, so it will have to do. Perfect. Stay safe, children. How many pillows does one lady need? We're in Florida, and this girl has 2 comforters. Just kidding, she has 3. Why? Bedroom is done. Next up, we have her living room. Looks like someone I know has been having a good old time in here. A little too much fun. Where's the lamp? There was a beautiful lamp sitting right there. Well, I found the lamp. Yep, I did. What am I gonna do? You think it's salvageable? Maybe if I try and replace it with the same one or something similar, she won't notice. Well, we know it was made in China, so we can't travel there. We're just gonna have to guess and hope that At Home is the right store. We made it. Wish me luck. I spotted the lamps, so I can't find it. This one is the most similar, but it's a lot smaller, so I don't know what to do. This is the one I'm going with because it's the closest to the one she had. Why is At Home so expensive? I got 3 things for like 180 bucks. Made it back home. Now it's time to get to work. Grandma's gonna be so mad at you.
It's not a good lamp. Maybe I can be the lamp.
Looks like nothing ever happened. Do some light dusting. Her bathroom is clean. I'm gonna leave a few new products for her just to ease her spirit. I think she'll like it. It's like no one was ever here.